Did you know you can add Amex offers to your online shopping automatically? The Sync feature is a hidden gem for saving money. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can sync offers through your web browser or online shopping portals. In your Amex online account, look for a section called Amex Offers and Sync. You'll find buttons to install a browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. Once installed, when you shop at a participating online store, like Dell, Saks, or Best Buy, a notification will pop up if there's an Amex offer available. You can add it to your card with one click right there at checkout. My crucial pro tip: combine it with cashback sites. Use the Sync extension and go through a cashback portal like Rakuten. You can often stack the Amex offer statement credit with the portal's cashback, or points, effectively getting a double discount on your purchase. Never miss a saving opportunity again. What's the best deal you've ever stacked with Amex offers and another site? For more hacks on smart online shopping, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.